YouTubers, Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. Today we're working on our Whirlpool refrigerator, and unfortunately we've got a light bulb that's burnt out. So let's head to the kitchen and take a look. Inside the kitchen now, and we have a side-by-side refrigerator. It is a Whirlpool brand. Freezer on the left side, refrigerator on the right side. Freezer's fine, however the last couple days the refrigerator has been a little dimmer than normal. We've got a bulb up top. That one looks like it's fine. However, in most cases, there is a bulb on the back panel of your internal refrigerator, and we've got to find it. In most cases, it is near the lower portion. So we do have a panel there. I think I found it. So I'm going to empty this shelf. At this point, I've got this entire shelf cleared out, and on the rear portion of the refrigerator, you've got a plastic panel or cover, and it should just slide right up and off. And whoa. Those are dirty. It looks like the previous owner never cleaned the portion of the refrigerator. And there's two bulbs back here. Let's go ahead and remove them. Be careful, you don't want to drop them. That would not be a fun cleanup inside your refrigerator. And I'll carefully remove those. All right, YouTubers, again, these bulbs are very dirty. Very, very dirty. And what I'm going to do is put these in a plastic bag and take them to my local Lowe's and buy replacement bulbs. As you can see, this is a Daylight 40 watt. And these are incandescent bulbs, which means they are definitely energy eating bulbs. And our hopes is when we get to Lowe's, we can actually find LED bulbs that burn a heck of a lot less energy. All right, YouTubers, back from our local Lowe's, and check this out. We've bought LED bulbs, and this is a GE brand. This is only 2 watt output, which is awesome. 180 lumens. And as you can see here, lasts 5 times longer, which is great. And this is a soft white appliance bulb. And as you can see with the image on the package, that is a refrigerator. So these bulbs are made and designed specifically for refrigerators. Took a few seconds, opened up the package. Be very careful. You do not want to drop this. Again, that would just add an annoying part to your project, having to clean this up. And as you can see here, I'm wearing rubber gloves. And I highly recommend wearing rubber gloves because when you insert this into the actual socket and twist it in, you want to alleviate any finger oils or smudges on the bulb itself. So from here, let's head back to the refrigerator and put it in. Back at the refrigerator, and I took a couple minutes and cleaned this portion. As you saw earlier, it was pretty dirty, and I figured out what it was. It was root beer. So as you see, max 40 watts. That's important. Don't insert bulbs that are more than that. Righty tighty, and obviously it's going to turn on immediately when it makes contact there. And I'll insert the second bulb. And once you get that second bulb, again, that's very simple. Just reinsert the plastic panel or cover in its little slots there. And from there, that basically completes the project. What I recommend is replacing that one as well. Get that old energy-eating incandescent bulb out of there and put a brand new LED bulb in there. Save some energy and money. After that, go ahead and reinsert your stuff so it does not go bad, and that literally completes the project. As you can see, very quick, very friendly DIY project. Hopefully this helps. Do us a favor, YouTubers. Below the video, you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely go to your settings, turn on your YouTube notification bell. Once you do that, every video that we upload, you will be notified. You will be able to stay up to date with us, and that will be awesome. Thanks again for watching.